What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm here in Manila in the Philippines. If you saw my last vlog in Japan, you know that the reason I'm in Asia is because of Sneaker Expo in Manila. They actually flew me out for Sneaker Expo and let me stop by Tokyo on the way over, which was super sick. But now I'm in Manila for Sneaker Expo, which is actually today. I came in yesterday and I didn't really do much yesterday because I'm still pretty jet lagged. I flew in on Japan Air, I think it is, which is first of all like an incredible airline. The food was nuts. And also the fact that I got an entire exit row to myself. I think it was like a 4.5 hour flight, and it's probably the best 4.5 hour flight I've ever been on. It's insane. I love Japan Air. It's crazy. But like I said, the reason I'm in Manila for the next like 3 or 4 days is because of Sneaker Expo, which is happening in, I think, an hour. So I'm gonna head over there in a minute, but the city so far has been incredible. I went out this morning, it's like 90 degrees, which is absolutely insane. I wasn't prepared for that at all. I took a shower this morning and I walked for maybe 30 minutes and I already need another one. I also might have broken the number on my door. Sorry, hotel. We're headed to the event. It's about to go down. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Are you sure? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, man.
We'll give more value.
Yeah. Yeah, one of one. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look who we ran into. Carlo.
What's up? This guy is the best.
He's the best. Links to his channel in the description below. You guys probably already follow him though. He's the best.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
I'm so glad I finally got to meet you. This is
Same
sick.
here, same.
This is sick. So Jonathan got me this insane bracelet and some durian candy. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it.
Shout out to my friends in Davao and the streetwear culture in Davao.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Seriously. So it is day 2, or I guess technically day 3 of the Philippines. Yesterday was by far one of the most incredible, insane, wonderful, amazing experiences of my entire life. The fact that there was just so many people in the Philippines and just in the world who watch this content and who actually care about the content and me at all is unbelievable. And the love in the Philippines is by far, I mean, just the most extreme love that I've ever experienced from any country, anywhere. Like, it's insane, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. But today I'm gonna go around Manila and try and experience as much as possible before I leave tomorrow. I'm gonna run into Carlo at some point. I'm gonna meet up with some of the guys who run Sneaker Expo. I'm gonna check out one of their stores, which I'm really excited about, and it should just be a really good day. Really quick, huge shout out to Shoe Fork for the hat. And while we're on the topic of like dope stuff that people gave me, check this out. I'm almost speechless. This is incredible. You guys really showed some insane love with all these gifts. I mean, I can't even believe it. I actually really like everything that I was given, and it's all pretty insane. And some of these brands that are based in the Philippines are actually really dope, and you guys should definitely be checking them out. Really quick, I want to bring some attention to Jonathan, who made me this awesome bracelet. Came all the way over from, I believe, a different part of the Philippines, like flew over. He also gave me some durian chocolates. So I'm not sure how familiar you are with durian. Durian is this fruit here, this spiky fruit shown in this picture, that is one of the most hated fruits in the world. And if you've never heard of durian, you're in for a treat because it smells like wet garbage. And that's not an exaggeration. It literally smells like trash. And there are signs in airports all over the world that show pictures of like a durian fruit and a big red X on it saying you cannot import this anywhere because it smells that bad. And I was lucky enough to try some fresh durian last time I was in KL, and it was horrible. But there are people who love this fruit, mainly because they grew up in areas that have it. So my mom was half Malay. She grew up in Malaysia till she was, I don't know, in her teens, I think, and she loved durian. She loved it. So there are people that exist. I'm not one of those people. I'm trying to think. You know what it smells like? It smells like rotten fruit. It smells like rotten fruit that's put in like a wet 7-Eleven bag that has like a little bit of like warm water in there and kind of squished together. And imagine biting into that. That's sort of what durian feels like and tastes like. The fact that there's just like yellowish durian cream inside this candy. Oh shit. I just like realized what I'm about to do. I can't overstate how not excited I am for this. My whole thing when I travel is to try new things and different things that sort of are local to wherever I'm going. And I know durian's big in Southern Asia, so I'm gonna try it. I appreciate you, Jonathan, but I might not after eating this. So here we go. Oh shit, they're individually wrapped, which means they smell. My gag reflex is already going. This is really weird. I don't understand this. 2, 1. I thought I was hyping it up in my head, but I wasn't. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and start the rest of my day and get away from this candy as far away as I can. When did they drop in the US, you know?
I'm not sure. I really don't know. But here, it was 3 weeks ago.
How much does that go for in pesos?
This is like around 15,000 pesos.
Okay. So what's your best-selling shoe in the store? Or the best-selling like top 3?
Oh yeah. Number 1 would be the Yeezys.
Yeah?
Yeah. Next would be the Jordans. Yeah, Jordan 1 specifically. Today the hype is going like crazy. All of these Asians are like buying bulk on it. And then the next one would be Off-Whites. The Off-Whites here. Yeah.
Anyone in particular? Like any?
Air Force One's doing great, and Presto. Okay, can you imagine this specific pair? Like, it's everywhere in US, right? But here it's always like in the retails, it's like sold out.
Really?
So
the AF1?
Yeah. We got a chance to resell this one.
That's awesome.
So Air Force One.
So I brought some of that candy I was tasting earlier from my friends over here.
Yeah, we're gonna try it now.
It just smells like chocolate when you first see it.
Yeah, what? Yeah, it's a bit weird.
It is.
Because of the chocolate part.
Yeah. So guys, if you are in Manila, make sure to check out Shoe Game. It's Ron's store. It's awesome, man.
Yeah. Thanks for visiting, Seth.
Of course, man. Thanks for having me. So I'm about to try some puto with butter and crab fat on it. So we got a tip that there might be pairs of Off-White sneakers at Off-White, like retail Off-White sneakers, like Nikes, Air Maxes, AF1s.
Because it was recently released like a few weeks ago.
Right.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So
There's some mechanics though.
yeah.
Yeah, but we can try.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm not like too hopeful, but we'll see what happens. Check this out. You won't believe it. In my size. I'm so excited. So Ron's also getting a pair too.
First time buying retail for Off-White Manila.
That's crazy.
So how does it fit? Like, is it
Pretty much
like
standard.
regular 90s?
Yeah, regular 90s. I can't believe it. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yo, Aram would be like would want to have a like Converse big or
How does it fit?
it's a bit snug, but it's like right. But I won't wear it with that. How's that feel? Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah. It's
Good.
right.
That's so sick. I'm not gonna post this video until after I give it to my fiance, but I'm getting her a pair of the AF1s. There you go, Jordan. I hope you like them. I really hope she likes them. Retail boys. Oh man, the blackberry is so fresh. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm here with the one and only Big Boy Chang and I can't believe I'm here. It's the most amazing studio ever.
You're always welcome here to my house.
Thank you so much. We're about to do an unboxing. I can't wait.
Congratulations to Seth as getting engaged. Okay. He's getting married. Oh, he's getting married. I got married many times.
So we're here at Secret Fresh. Secret Fresh is an art gallery, a restaurant, a coffee shop, and it also has a pop-up Hypebeast store with a lot of really kick-ass items that you guys have to check out. If you are a local Hypebeast or a sneakerhead, or if you are a visitor like Seth passing here in the Philippines, you definitely have to check this place out. Here we have what we call in the Philippines a sari-sari store. So it's like a hole-in-a-wall store that sells assorted stuff. But here, this is just made to show the Filipino culture, the Filipino vibe. They don't actually sell stuff. So this is something that Big Boy put up just to be able to give it a more Filipino feel.
Okay, fine, they're all pork. This beef. So this one is pork with shrimp paste.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit, I mean, the flavor is a little bit intense. This one though, if you like sour things,
This is
like a traditional,
what they call sinigang.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a traditional like Filipino soup. It's made from.
Has it got the fish head in it?
No. This is it's beef. Okay, so it's beef, and then I don't miss yung sinigang. Ano yung ginamit ng pampasi? Okay, so it's tamarind. So they use tamarind to make it.
To give it a bitter like taste.
No. Sour.
Sour
Yeah,
taste.
yeah. It's a sour soup. It's like a sour and salty soup.
So guys, the last thing that I'm doing before I leave is checking out Randy Galang's insane collection. Make sure to follow him on Instagram, right here. He has a reputation in the Philippines for getting all the latest stuff early. So we have some early pairs here, which I'm really excited about. We've got the Sakai LDV waffle soles, which this colorway hasn't come out yet, and apparently this has only been on the runway so far. We've got the off-white Zoom flies, which are absolutely crazy. As in this blue colorway too. I mean, obviously the shoe is already out, but not in this colorway with the blue and the pink. And then we've also got some of the Oswegos, which I didn't even know were releasing. These are so early that there aren't even images online, and they all say sample on the inside as well. So these are sample pairs. Wait for the jet to go by. So why don't we start things off with the Sakai LDV waffle sole. I've never actually seen these in person. These are nuts. They actually have a very thin, just mesh upper, so you can probably see through to your socks if you really wanted to. So if you wore like a really bright like neon green or something like that. But this is a really good looking sneaker. It's two different sneakers mashed together in one, essentially. You've got two different color laces, you've got two different tongues, and the top foam layer right here is super, super soft. I didn't expect that. You've also got, like I mentioned, the Nike Zoom flies. And honestly, out of all the colorways that I've seen, this one might be my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of pink, but on this shoe, it contrasts it really nicely and really well. You've got this really clean, just super thin upper, so it's relatively breathable and very soft. Doesn't give you a huge amount of support, but enough. And again, this blue upper is dope. And then of course, we've got two different versions of these brand new Oswegos. You've got this all over leather one, which I think is my favorite. And then of course, you've got the mesh version, which I would assume is probably the cheaper version. The nicer material samples don't always come out, so we don't know if this shoe is actually gonna drop or not. But this is an insane, insane collection. Make sure to give Randy a follow on Instagram.
So we can just do it like a talk show type of us just talking to you, asking you about your stay in the Philippines and stuff like that. What is like the most memorable thing of your entire stay here in the Philippines so far?
So
and that's
much happened.
easy.
Is that the hardest question? I think you just threw the hardest question right
Yeah, I
there.
think he did. It was just last night, just us hanging out with Big Boy. I think it was, yeah, just the whole thing.
And seeing his collection.
Seeing his collection, hanging. I think it was just the people were the best part.
How did you find the event? How did you find the people, the reception that you got?
Oh, it was great. Yeah, it was amazing.
What was your feeling when you like first entered? Because I saw some clips when you were just at the ground floor, people were already mobbing you.
Yeah, it was crazy.
So how was that?
That's never happened to me before.
That was the first time
That
ever.
was the first time ever, yeah. So usually, at most, I've had maybe 10 people or 20 people come up and say hi, but that was it. And that's like throughout the day. That was crazy.
Yeah, but I couldn't. I saw you were almost kind of struggling to move around, right?
It was awesome.
Sneaker.
One of the best.
Well, yeah.
Shoe Game Manila.
Century City Mall, right? Check them
Yeah,
out. Shoe
yeah.
Game Manila.
Shoe Game Manila.
And make sure that you guys visit also the next Manila Sneaker Expo 9 coming, I think, sometime later this year. But anyway, so,
okay.
subtle plugs, right? So, you know what? That's the same for me, man. It's something that you know it's important, but you don't actually put in enough effort to actually do it, right?
Yep. Also, first of all, you're growing faster than any sneaker YouTuber. I think he's the one who needs to be given the advice. It's crazy.
Well, you went ahead, of course. We'll listen to you,
I was
man.
I was talking to Ron and Iran about it earlier, like, and I was saying based on the speed of you could hit 1 million like really quick. Seriously, like. I think
that would be sick.
I think he's got it. I think he will probably pass us all very soon. I'm calling it now.
So thanks, man. We appreciate it. Appreciate
Yep.
you staying
Thank you
in
so
Manila.
much. Yeah.
And that's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up?
All right. Sweet. Awesome.
Thank you.